Yeah, I just need some time to rest.
Alright, if that's the case, why don't you give me one here?
What? Like, this is what we're trying to solve now.
Just
what? Baby, this is what we're trying to solve now and you're still asking for one.
Just give me doggy. Come. Just come, wait. Come.
I think by now my clothes are all dry, so I would love to change up and go home.
Are you for real?
Yeah, babe. It's past 4. I need to
You're
go.
not serious.
Why?
Why do you want to leave?
Baby, come on. That's not my home.
I know.
And moreover, that's the same place you stay with your husband. Like, in case like he just walked in right now.
Please, spare me that. My husband will be coming within 2 weeks' time. We have more time to enjoy ourselves. Please stop that already.
It doesn't change anything. It doesn't change anything.
Please, forget about it.
I rest my case.
You got more time to chill, man.
Okay, baby.
That's my fiancé. Excuse me. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, hello. Good morning. Yes, please. Yeah, Makati is my fiancé. What's that? Is he dead or something? Oh, okay. Are you for real? Oh, that's bad. That's bad. So where are you guys right now? All right. That's no problem. I'll be meeting you guys soon. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Could you imagine?
What's wrong?
My fiancé is blind.
Blind? Your fiancé is blind and you are laughing.
He's blind, and so.
Come on, you don't need to be acting.
Please, just keep quiet. Let's go and pick him up.
Like, how come blind? How come?
They said during the war, he just lost his eyesight. That's all.
Lost his sight during the war?
Yes. But why are you so concerned about my fiancé?
What are you going to do now?
I was asked to come and pick him up, so we are going together.
Me?
Of course, you.
How will you introduce me?
As my brother.
You're such a witch.
Let's go.
Smart witch. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Who is that?
That's my kid brother.
Yeah.
Your kid brother?
Yeah, her junior brother.
Oh, okay.
Please help me, okay?
Oh, okay.
Right.
All right, let me help you.
Yes.
I need you right now.
What is it?
Take me out.
Okay, for my coffee.
Babe,
Yeah, dear.
come to think of it, why don't you take off your uniform?
Oh, you know, I'm a soldier and I want to die in my uniform.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So you want to die?
Not that I want to die, but I want to be in this uniform till I die. As the soldier that I am.
I see. I'll be with you soon.
I've not eaten. I'm hungry.
So what will you eat?
You already know my favorite. And where's your brother?
He's in the hall.
What is he doing?
Watching a movie.
Oh, okay. Alright. He still hasn't got a job?
Not yet.
Why? Doesn't he have CV?
He's still searching for one.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to one of my friends for him, okay?
Okay, that's so nice of you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, give me something to eat. I'm hungry.
Okay.
I just can't continue with this, okay? I'm sick and tired of all this thing. What sort of game is that? I just can't do this anymore.
You can do what?
See, I'm a man, okay? And I wouldn't like it if my wife is doing the same to me.
He's not married to me.
But yes, though, he's planning to. You guys have been staying for long and I think you're getting close to marriage.
Please stop this. Do you think I'm going to get married to a blind man?
And he wasn't blind when you guys met.
And so what? Now he's blind.
Sweetie, that means in case I'm with you and I also get blind, you also leave me because...
Please stop what you are saying. You are just getting me bored. Are you a military man? Tell me.
Okay, fine. I'm not.
You are not leaving today, tomorrow, or tomorrow next.
And I'm leaving today, tomorrow, and tomorrow
You are
next.
not leaving.
Every day, like you seem not to understand anything. Okay, fine. What if we get caught?
Get caught by who? The blind man?
The one thing you need to understand is every blind man has an instinct of like hearing things.
Please, I introduced you to him as my brother. So you will not think about anything. Just understand me. Babe.
Okay, you give me some time to think about this, okay? Because for now, like, my mind is all full up.
Are you trying to tell me I shouldn't get close to you today?
Yeah, I just need some time to rest.
Alright,
think.
if that's the case, why don't you give me one here?
What? Like, this is what we're trying to solve now.
Just give me doggy. One.
Baby, this is what we're trying to solve now and you're still asking for one.
Just give me doggy. Come.
Stop.
Just come. Wait. Come.
Oh, baby, I miss you.
Oh my God, I'm happy with you.
1 minute. 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 1 minute
Me who I can see you. Hey, me who pa
Babe, I thought you were blind.
Oh, they told me. They told me that when I go for peacekeeping, this is what we have been doing. So it's true.
Babe,
Is this the brother you told me about?
Yes, Michiba.
Oh, Michiba. In bed with you.
Not what you are thinking, that's my backbone.
I saw everything you have been doing since I came into this house. Hey, Abuta. Yeah. Come. I don't want to talk.
Hey.
Respect him. You need to go.
Babe,
come here.
Please take it easy on him, okay?
Come here.
Come here.
Bema, so what who send you this soldier ni yiri dia? And by all means, who who send you this soldier ni? Sorry, bra. Sorry, bra.